So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Sony Ultra VR headphone no sound issue. So guys, if you are experiencing a no sound issue with your Sony headphone, so this video will walk you through some troubleshooting steps to get your audio back up and running. Okay, so guys, let's start. So guys, first of all, you are checking the audio sources. So guys, make sure that your audio source having all the settings are good and they having the right way to produce the sound. Okay, so for checking this you can go to your Bluetooth, and here you can go to the settings of your Bluetooth, and here you can make sure that all the permissions of like call, audio, input, except contact are turned on. If you want to turn on contact, so you also do. So you check these the audio sources is turned on, and it is I try to show you again. You simply long press on your Bluetooth settings, and in the setting you can go to the detail, and the detail you can go to this icon. Okay, so you also check, and your check the verify connections. Okay, and make sure that your is Bluetooth is perfectly connected, not like disconnecting and reconnecting again and again. So make sure they are connected very properly, and you also adjust the volume from your device as well as your headphone. So you also click on these dotted and check your Bluetooth, and you can turn it off, and you also swipe up from this side just like this, and your volume is also increased from the end of your headphone. Okay, so guys, these are the things you can perform with your headphones, and maybe you can get the solution. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. Maybe this video is very helpful for you.